Peace be upon you and good morning everyone. Today we want to present about research on the consumption of the honey from the species of stingless bee Kelulut. In Malaysia, the stingless bee is referred to as Kelulut, and in Sabah, Tantadan, a local dusun word as a member of the Apidae family. Honeybees and are crucial pollinators in tropical and subtropical areas. In Sabah, stingless bees are highly prevalent. There is an 80% likelihood that you will see a stingless bee honey hive near a garden or orchard. Typically, they construct their nests in hollow trees, wall cavities, and even cracks in the walls of your home. Stingless bees are always active in the countryside collecting nectar. If you perspire a lot, some of them may fall to your skin and gather salt.
Hello, my name is SHAHIRA BINTI ROSLAN, matrix number BI22110143. So, we are doing research on stingless bee Kelulut honey because we want to identify the benefits of stingless bee Kelulut honey in Sabah that have been obtained by the people in Sabah when using Kelulut. And is it true that the people in Sabah get benefits such as prevent and cures various diseases like diabetes, stroke, liver, hepatitis, cancer, high blood, cholesterol, asthma, gout, cough, flu, sore throat, and others. In addition, we are connecting this research to study the effects of stingless bee Kelulut honey consumption in the community of Sabah. We want to identify if the people in Sabah experience effects such as Kelulut honey can lower blood sugar content, can cope with digestive problems, and so on. Since we only want to know the benefits and effects of stingless bee honey among the people in Sabah, we have chosen our respondent who live in Sabah and know the benefits of stingless bee, and the respondents must be people of Sabah who have used stingless bee in their daily life.
Good morning to our lecturer, Dr. Lee Kuk Tiong. My name is SHAHIRA binti ZULKIFLI and my matriculation number is PA22110190. I will talk about study instrument, data gathering techniques, and data analysis today. This study employs a questionnaire, interviews, and libraries to start. The best way to gather information is using a Google Form-based questionnaire. This is said because the information acquired from Google Forms with online survey respondents provide precise, descriptive information. To determine the advantage of stingless bee honey in Sabah and investigate the impacts of stingless bee honey intake in the community, respondents were given a questionnaire in the form of a Google form. 3 workers make up this group for this kind of interviewing, and it is done via online video call using the WhatsApp app. This is supposedly the case because by adopting the online interview approach, the risk of contracting COVID-19 can be minimized, as well as the ability to cut costs and save time. The internet-based library approach was employed by the researcher in this study. In order to gather knowledge on the subject being studied, this strategy involved consulting the articles that are accessible on Google Scholar and Academia. The researcher will increase our knowledge by using this approach. Primary source and secondary source are the 2 types of data collection methods. Regarding primary source are those that are gathered straight from the start. The data needed by the researcher was gathered using the questionnaire method using a Google Form. Reading previously published written information constitutes a secondary source. The researcher used online source for this investigation. For data analysis techniques, the result of the Google Form-based questionnaire were analyzed using statistical data. Numbers and percentage were used to analyze the data that was obtained. There are 2 Likert scale, a 2-point scale, and 5-point scale. That is all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is SITTI HARMAHYANI BINTI AK1010384. So in this writing, there are two main objectives, which are first, identifying the benefits of Stingless bee honey in Sabah. And the benefits of Stingless bee honey included first, the aging process can be slowed down. 2, can prevent, treats and cure various diseases. And 3, has the potential to be a natural wound healer. 4, can enhance the body's immune system. And 5, helps in the process of female fertility. And this objective is achieved and measured using a 2-point Likert scale. And percentage of positive response is benefits of the aging process can be slowed down, recorded as much as 18% positive response, corresponding to 24 people out of a total of 13 people. And the second benefits, which is can prevent, treats and cure various diseases, recorded 100% positive response. And the third benefits, which is has the potential to be a natural wound healer, recorded as much as 86.730% positive response, while 100% for the benefits of can enhance the body's immune system. And lastly, benefits of Stingless bee honey helps in the process of female fertility, recorded 19% of positive response. And the second objective, which is study the effects of taking Stingless bee honey in the community. The effects of taking Stingless bee honey included first, can aid in weight reduction. 2, can lessen anxiety or tension and increase mental acuity. And 3, can prevent or slow down the formation of cataracts or eye disease. And 4, can cope with digestive problems. And lastly, can lower blood sugar content. And these objectives is achieved using a 5-point Likert scale from strongly agree to strongly disagree. Percentage of response that strongly agree for each effect are can aid in weight reduction, recorded as much as 36.70% response, while second effect recorded a 33.33% response, and the third one, which is can prevent or slow down the formation of cataracts, recorded as much as 30% response. For the effects of can cope with digestive problems, recorded a 26.70% response and a 33.33% response for effects of can lower blood sugar content. So both of these objectives have been achieved.
With a mean rate of 1.4, the most common response to identifying the benefits of stingless bee honey in Sabah is that stingless bee honey has the potential to be a natural wound healer. While the most common response to study the effects of taking stingless bee honey in the community is that stingless bee honey can reduce anxiety or tension and increase mental events, and stingless bee honey can reduce blood sugar content has the same mean rate of 4.10. Stingless bee honey has evolved into a product that creates jobs while also increasing the local product both within and outside of the country, as it provides future food security, high income generation, and medicinal products.